my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities.
1998 Corvette, as you can see, only 24,500 miles. Hey guys, this is Hutch, Classic Car Addict, Mesa, Arizona. I want to bring this brand new addiction. This is a 1998 Chevrolet Corvette. It is done in torch red. It's got the black interior. It's an automatic, and it's only got 24,508 miles on it. This thing is just amazing. It has a glass roof, everything that you want in a Corvette. Low miles, no accidents, beautifully done in red, black interior, glass top. What we're going to do is go through the exterior, go through the interior, and take you on a test drive. Stay tuned.
Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days.
As you can see, this is just in beautiful condition. Everything is in excellent shape. The ceramic coating that's on the paint is beautiful. There are no dings, dents, or big scratches whatsoever. All the alignment is in great shape. Rims are in great shape. You can see this was very, very well taken care of. For a 1998 Corvette, this one just checks all the boxes. It's in red, black interior, like new showroom condition. All the lights, everything work directly as they should. Let's get right into the engine. As you can hear, engine sounded great. Door panels, everything in here is in just excellent shape. It shows so well all the way through. All the gauges work just like they should. It does have your WeatherTech floor mats. All the windows do work and operate up and down just like they should. I'll show you on that. So up and down. And then let's go over to the passenger side. Up and down. And then let's get into the rear. I'll show you how that looks as well, because that is in just such good shape. It does have your net here. It does have the glass roof that is tinted And again, back here, there's no stains, nothing with that. All the fitment is great. And over here to the passenger side, see here again, everything is in just such good shape. Dash, seats, center console, everything just the way that you want it. Let's hop into a test drive. Alright guys, let's get in this drive. Okay, now we got windows. They are not tinted. Both of those work up and down. We got horn, we got wipers, and we got AC. Got to get that on, even though it's not. We have a cold front going on. It's only about 89 degrees, so we're actually doing pretty good. AC does work just like it should. All here, this stereo, all the mirrors, they all work as they should. Up, down, there we go. Oh yeah, 24,509 miles. Click it or ticket. Let's get out on this. Yeah, all the gauges, all this stuff fully works as it should. And the ABS does work as well. I know these have been kind of an issue in the C5s. Headlights, they work just like they're supposed to as well. But overall, I mean, the leather seats, everything's in such good shape. The paint is in excellent shape. Rides out really well. And the Corvettes, they just, you know, they're just one of a kind. And the reason everybody likes them is just what's everything behind them. You know, for the generations and even the generations to come with these, they just have that simplicity and sports-driven technology that you want in your two-seater. And they ride out really well. This one shifts just like you want it to. Handles well. You know, they really dig into the corners. They give you that feel. This was just great about the Corvette, is that they just really hold you in the seat. They're designed for the track. It's exactly what they are. We have all the high definition photos, online financing, and transport nationwide. ClassicCarAddict.com. Just like always, like, subscribe, and follow us on all the socials. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, this is under that 1998 Corvette. As you can see, only 24,500 miles. This thing is just an impeccable shape. All the original factory markings. You can see everything here is just in really, really good shape. See all here, there's no big scrapes at all on this thing. It's been very well taken care of, and it will be perfect in your collection.
inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through eyes covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles,